if you are coming from a data science background, you are familiar with matplot, seaborn packages to plot a time series. But in Django, it's different. As far as I know, matplot and seaborn is not working with Django. And please correct me, David or Jorge, if it's working. So please help me. So I used the charts organization. They have a package which is written in Java. It's very easy, very simple. I create, like for illustration, I create a database with cells and time labels, and I query the data. I pass the data as a list, and I send it to the HTML. I create a canvas, which is, I use the ID chart so I can call it on JavaScript. I have to import the CDN link for the charts inside the script. And then this is basically all you need for like plotting a time series using JavaScript in Django. So I will pass the list here on data, and I will pass the labels here, which is the time or whatever labels you want to pass, and display it on chart. These are other features, like for background or changing the how it's look like, the line or bar. So focusing on the type, what kind of chart you want. Is it line, bar, or pie? For the data, which is where I'm going to pass the data labels, is the time series. And this is the chart I will end up with. I can make it bar, I can change whatever I like. Like this is, it's over here. I'm gonna take out this one and make this one pi. Save it here. Sorry, guys. It's simple as this one. So if someone have like an idea about another plot like seaborn or matplot, so please share it with me. Thank you, guys.
Very cool.
It was very cool.
Thank you.
I will have to say that if Matplotlib or anything else works with Django, I don't think it's simpler than this. I'm not denying that it was work for you to figure this out, but I mean, if I had to put into place a series of charts in Django, I mean, this is an approach that's sold on me.
This is why I chose the chart.js. You don't have to be an expert in JavaScript. You need like a little bit about the DOM, the JavaScript DOM, and that's it. And all you need, just pass a list of the data. And also you can use the JSON or API, but it's going to be like more complex.
In the slide where you had JS, was that actually Django templating language that you were using?
I'm sorry, what's your question again, Jorge?
Yeah, in the slide where you had the JavaScript that you were looking at, is that Django templating language that you were using in there too?
So this is Django, and this is the template for the Django.
Okay.
Looks like it's in his templates directory.
Yeah, that was, yeah, I didn't see which directory it was in earlier. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
And it does look like he's using the double curly braces.
Yeah, this is the Django data.
You had to use the safe to pass it through. What do you call that? A filter.
Yeah, that's super cool, Mohammed. I'm impressed.
Thank you, Jorge.
Very cool. Any questions? All right, short and sweet. I like that. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, it can be a bunch of work or not so much work, I guess, to add some charting in Django. So it's always good to see that there are some relatively simple approaches.